Hello guys, I am Srinivas. I am from Kolada. I have recently completed my Bachelor of Technology in the stream of Electronics and Communication from Brilliant Group of Technical Institutions. So after my graduation, I got confused while taking my next step. So I have asked many of my friends and relatives for suggestions. So one of my relatives have suggested me to take testing tools course. To learn this course, I have searched many institutions. Then one of my friend have suggested me about Vcube. I have researched about Vcube software solutions. So then I came to know that this is a trustworthy institute to learn your dream course. For more clarification, I have attended demo classes for 2 days. Manohar Rao sir, he has 14 plus years of experience in teaching testing tools course. So not only about the course, they also provide weekly tests, mock interviews, soft skill classes, and aptitude sessions. If you guys are planning to join any institutions to learn your dream course or strengthen or improve your skills, so I'll definitely suggest you to join in this Vcube software solutions. Thank you.